Hello, what's up guys and welcome back to my channel Topak on Food Travels. Today, I'm going to share with you guys yung kung saan kami kumakain every day while staying here at Med Club here in Bintan, Indonesia. And by the way, yung na-video ko lang is for breakfast which is talagang maraming food na pagpipilian. There's a lot of different kinds of breads, cheese, at mga pang-umagang breakfast talaga, pang-umagang breakfast talaga, sabay gano'n. Ayan, yan yung mga breakfast nila. May mga um, bacon, which is I really love most, and then sausage at the same time, and then different kinds of sausage as well. Pati yung mga, yan, yung magpapaluto ka ng sarili mong kind of scrambled egg, which is different kind of ingredients that you're going to put, and different kinds of eggs na luto, which is there's a boil, scrambled egg, and steamed egg at the same time. And ayan, may marami tayong different kinds of palaman. At eto nga yung sunny side up na itlog, o 'di ba? Ayan, inexplain talaga pati itlog, 'di ba? Ayan, linilibot ko kasi actually itong restaurant na 'to para sa ganun makita niya naman, and different kinds of ham, of course. And then meron din yung mga Indian cuisine, and then Malay cuisine na food, cuisine talaga. Ayan, maraming pagpipilian na pagkain for breakfast, which is talagang mapaparami ka ng food na makakain. By the way, ito yung side ng mga Indian food. Pero sorry guys, I'm so sorry. Hindi po talaga ako mahilig sa Indian food, but I eat some food, but selected lang po. And then dito naman sa side na to, which is more in drinks. Ayan, yung talagang blended na natural juices. Okay? And then different kinds of vegetables, fresh vegetables as well, and which is you can make salad. And then ito yung mga cereals na nilang side. Okay, marami talagang pagpipilian dito. And then very interesting talagang kumain. Ayan, may mga salads na pwede mong gawin. You need to make your own. And then bahala ka na lang mamili diyan. Actually, eat all you can dito. Walang problema kahit ubusin mo pa, sabi ganun. And this is their Chinese noodles at the same time. And ito yung mga ibang mga food na pwedeng kainin like lugaw, okay? And then yung mga kwetiao, yung mga tofu at the same time. And then may mga dumplings din sila. And of course, hindi mawawala ang fruits na pagpipilian, which is different kind of fruits, and meron din na rin yung mga nahiwa-hiwa na rin ng mga prutas na pwede mong kainin. And then, ayan, yun yung magpapagawa ka ng sarili mong pancake, and then sarili mo na rin palaman ang ilalagay. And then this one is different kind of yogurts and milks as well. And then ayan, marami talagang pagkakainan dito, guys. Sobrang yung budget is hindi ka madidihado. Sulit na sulit yung budget mo na pumunta dito at nag-enjoy ka pa. Maganda yung views, and so far lahat ng food masarap sila, masarap kasi talagang nasa sayo na rin kung gaano yung lasa ng food na gusto mo. Talagang ma-appreciate mo siya. Oh my goodness, nagugutom na tuloy ako. And then hanggang dito na lang guys.